task for the ANC in 2026 is to make organizational renewal visible and irreversible. The renewal of the ANC and the alliance is the most pressing organizational task of this generation. We need to act with urgency, determination, and courage in making renewal more visible and irreversible. We fully understand that we either renew the African National Congress and the alliance or we perish. Renewal must be both personal and organizational. As individual members of the ANC, we must show in our daily conduct and interaction with society that we represent the best values of our movement. We must once again be known for upholding the highest standards of excellence, the highest standard of work ethic, the highest standards of integrity, humility, and competence. We will run the ANC strictly with zero tolerance of corruption, ill discipline, and factionalism.